Virtual events are a great tool for increasing your brand recognition. So you want others to know what you're doing, why you're doing it, how you're doing it, and just know about your company or yourself or some other brand that you represent. Well, the best type of way to do that, to get further reach and exposure, is by live streaming. So majority of social media platforms currently have a live streaming component, whether that's LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, or TikTok. You can do live streaming on those platforms. Tools like StreamYard, Restream, or even natively inside of these platforms allow you to do live streaming. So live streaming is what I recommend if you want to increase your brand recognition, as well as increasing your frequency in which you live stream. So you are a new brand, you're trying to get customers, you're trying to share with the world what you're doing. Going live 1 to 2 times a week, inviting your audience that you currently have, inviting friends and family, inviting people that are in your network to join the stream as well as share the stream with others is a good way to get that brand recognition. People will see your face, they'll see your name, and then they keep seeing you show up in their feeds, and then that will lead to potential subscribers, people following you on social media, or just basically being aware, right? Your goal is that brand recognition. So you don't really need a sign up form in those early stages, because what you're trying to do is just have people know you exist and know what you're working on or what you're doing with that specific brand. So I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing some of your live streams. If you need tech support help with ensuring that your live stream goes off successfully, reach out to us at GSD Solutions. Or if you just want to chat and ideate around some of the benefits of live streaming, schedule a free consultation with us today. If this video was helpful, go ahead and like it, subscribe to our channel, and leave comments below if you have further questions. We're always happy to help and support folks that are trying to produce more content, do live streaming, or any type of virtual event. See you soon.